In a tranquil ocean, far from the shore, lived a curious little flounder named Fred. Fred was not like other fish. He had a unique gift, the ability to walk on land, which made him the center of attention among his peers. One day, a storm swept across the ocean, causing Fred to be swept away from his home. Stranded on a sandbar, Fred felt a pang of fear. He looked around, but there was no sign of his family or friends. A wise old crab, who had lived on the sandbar for many years, noticed Fred's plight. The crab, though gruff and grumpy, had a heart of gold. "Fred," he said, "you should return to the ocean. You're not meant to live on land." Fred, however, was determined. He remembered a tale his mother used to tell him about a magical waterfall that could take him back to the sea. He decided to trust in this story and embark on a journey to find the waterfall. The journey was long and arduous. Fred encountered many challenges. He had to cross treacherous rivers, climb steep hills, and even outwit a cunning group of crows. But Fred was undeterred. He knew he had to find the waterfall to get home. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Fred saw a beautiful waterfall in the distance. With a leap of faith, he swam up the waterfall and, to his delight, found himself back in the ocean. Fred's adventure taught him a valuable lesson. Sometimes, trusting in something unseen can lead us to where we truly belong. The wise old crab had been right, but Fred had learned to trust his own intuition and the stories he had been told. From that day forward, Fred would share his tale with others, reminding them that sometimes a leap of faith is all we need to find our way back home. And so, the story of the clever flounder's leap of faith became a beacon of hope for all those lost at sea.